Hello everyone and welcome. Throughout this course, we've covered keyword research, content creation, local SEO, image optimization, and setting up a Google business profile. Now we're going to explore proper SEO. The term may sound intimidating, but you don't need to be a programmer or web developer to understand the basics. In fact, many important technical improvements can be made by any website owner. Proper SEO focuses on making sure your website is easy for both visitors and search engines to access and use. Think of it like a physical store. Even if you have great products, customers may leave if the doors are difficult to open, the signs are confusing, or the experience is frustrating. The same thing happens online. Great content alone isn't enough if technical issues make your website difficult to use. Today we'll focus on 4 key areas: website speed, mobile-friendly design, website security, and common SEO issues. Website speed refers to how quickly a web page loads and becomes usable. Fast-loading websites provide a better experience for visitors. People expect pages to load quickly, and many users will leave if a website takes too long. Search engines recognize this, which is why speed is an important ranking factor. One of the most common causes of slow websites is oversized images. Large image files take longer to load and can significantly reduce performance. This is why image optimization is so important. Properly sized and compressed images help pages load faster. Another common issue is having too many plugins or add-on features. While plugins can add useful functionality, installing too many can slow your website. Every extra feature requires resources, and those resources can affect performance. Your web hosting provider also plays a role in website speed. Hosting companies store your website files and deliver them to visitors. Choosing a reliable host can improve performance and provide a better experience for users. Many modern website platforms, including WordPress, Shopify, Wix, and Squarespace, include built-in tools that help improve speed. While you don't need to obsess over every technical detail, remember that faster websites create happier visitors. Today, a large percentage of internet traffic comes from smartphones and tablets. In many industries, mobile visitors actually outnumber desktop users. Because of this, Google places significant importance on mobile usability. A mobile-friendly website automatically adjusts to fit smaller screens. Visitors should be able to read text without zooming in, tap buttons easily, navigate menus without frustration, and view images properly. Imagine a customer visiting your website from a phone. If the text is tiny, the buttons overlap, or the pages are difficult to navigate, they may leave immediately. That lost visitor could have been a potential customer. Fortunately, most modern website builders use responsive designs that automatically adapt to different screen sizes. However, you should still test your website regularly. Visit your site on your smartphone and browse several pages. Check forms, menus, images, and links. Ask yourself whether everything is easy to use. If it is, you're providing a better experience for both visitors and search engines. Website security is another important part of proper SEO. When you visit a website, you may notice a small lock icon next to the web address. That lock indicates the website is using HTTPS. HTTPS helps protect information exchanged between visitors and your website. This can include passwords, contact information, email addresses, and payment details. Google encourages all websites to use HTTPS because it improves both security and user trust. Websites that are not secure may display warning messages in some browsers, which can discourage visitors from continuing. Fortunately, adding HTTPS is usually simple. Most hosting companies and website builders provide SSL certificates that enable HTTPS, often at no additional cost. You can quickly check your website by looking at the address bar. If your website begins with https:// and displays a lock icon, it is likely secure. Security not only helps with SEO, but also builds confidence with potential customers. Next, we need to cover common SEO issues. Even well-designed websites can experience proper SEO problems. The good news is that many are easy to identify and fix. One common issue is broken links. A broken link sends visitors to an error page instead of the intended destination. This creates frustration and can make a website appear unprofessional. Another issue is missing page titles. Every important page should have a clear title that tells visitors and search engines what the page is about. Titles help search engines understand your content and can influence search visibility. Missing meta descriptions are also common. Meta descriptions are short summaries that often appear beneath search listings. While they don't directly improve rankings, they can encourage users to click on your website. Duplicate content can create confusion for search engines when similar content appears on multiple pages. Whenever possible, make each page unique and provide its own value. Sometimes websites accidentally block search engines from accessing important pages. When that happens, content may not appear in search results at all. Many SEO tools and plugins can help identify these problems before they become serious. User experience or UX matters most to your online visitors. Proper SEO is ultimately about creating a better experience for people. Fast websites reduce frustration. Mobile-friendly designs improve usability. Secure websites build trust. Working links and clear navigation help visitors find what they need. Search engines want to provide users with the best possible experience, which is why proper SEO and user experience go hand in hand. As a website owner, ask yourself, does my website load quickly? Is it easy to use on a smartphone? Does it use HTTPS? Do all links work properly? Does every page have a title? Is my content unique? Are my images optimized? Is navigation simple and clear? If you can answer yes to most of these questions, you're building a strong, proper SEO foundation. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you in the next lesson.